People, welcome back again to another video. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. Please join our family to hit the red button down below on that notification bell, so whenever we have a new video in this same channel, you will get notified. Thank you so much for chilling in. I love you all. As we all know, say tomorrow night be 31st of May, where our Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, give an order say all the Biafrans should stay in their homes. So this our brother here have something to tell us about tomorrow. I will leave you people to watch this particular video as I watch with you.
God bless Biafra. God bless Biafra. God bless Biafras all over the world, and God bless Oduduwa Republic. Right now, Biafra brothers and my sisters, don't be afraid. Tomorrow is the battle line that is going to draw, and God Almighty is already there to fight the stupid people. Tomorrow is the battle line, so God punish all the Nigerian soldiers. If you say you are Nigerian soldiers tomorrow, fall out with your dirty uniform and you see us for online. God punish all the Nigerian soldiers. Anywhere you are in trouble tomorrow. You have to face whatever you want to face tomorrow without unbeatable. Tomorrow is life. Tomorrow is the battle line. So if you say you are a Nigerian soldier, God punish you, punish your family. Tomorrow you come out. Thank you for Oduduwa brothers today. Tomorrow we are coming out straight ahead. So if you are a madman, you come outside. If you say you have gun, you have federal government, you come outside. You understand? They will bury you one on one. We are going to bury you in thousands. Right now there is fire in main market. Now they are burning our place. They are killing our brothers. Tomorrow should be the battle line. Don't worry, you people will see dead body. May God punish all the Nigerian soldiers, punish all the senators, punish all the governors who don't support Biafras, who don't support the freedoms of the people. May God punish you all. May God punish you all. I am telling you. Tomorrow is the battle line. There is nothing. We are not going to wait again. Enough is enough. Tomorrow is the battle line, so no worry. Track my number, track everything you want to track. Tomorrow is the normal day that our Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leaders of indigenous people of Biafra, have already mentioned, and that day will not pass. Tomorrow, watch out and see us on the streets. God punish anything concerning Nigeria. May God punish them. We are no more with Nigeria again, and we can never. What are you guys talking about? Are you still killing our brothers as you expect us to be as one Nigeria? We'll never. Don't destruction Nigeria again. We don't need your destruction of Nigeria. Don't destruction Nigeria again. Every border in our country, in our side, have to open. If you are a state governor, stand tomorrow and see what is going to happen. This is not a threat. It's just some few hours from now. You will see what will happen. Thank you for Oduduwa brothers. Today, Oduduwa brothers, they open their borders. If you say you have soldiers, come out tomorrow and see. If you say you are a soldier, if you say you are a police, you people are killing thousands of people today. We see it on internet. We see it. We are on the ground right now. So there is nothing. So don't bother. Don't bother, yeah? So don't just bother. You understand? Don't just bother. Because we are going to give them back to back. We are going to give you guys back to back. We are going to give you guys back to back. So if you know as you are a soldier, may God punish all the Nigerian soldiers. Even though you are my brothers, you are still there. God punish you. Don't write me again. If you know you are my brother and I'm your friends on Facebook, delete me, because don't bother to write me again. You have to delete me. If you are my friends, if you are my brother in police, deny me. I'm not your brother anymore. If you see me, don't call me. Don't delete my number anywhere you are. You cannot be killing my brothers. They cannot be killing my brothers, and I'll keep quiet and look for you guys. Enough is enough. That is a stupid life. Understand what I'm saying? Understand what I'm saying? So this thing is getting out of hand. So if you know you are a soldier, Nigeria soldier, you are equipped, tomorrow fall out for the street. Tomorrow fall out for the street because it will be tough. How can? Market don't they burn now? They don't they set fire for market now. Fulani don't they set this thing for market now. He said make we keep quiet. So enough is enough. So right now what I'm saying, my brothers and my sisters in Anambra State, Imo State, stay inside your house. Stop coming outside. Stay inside your house. Stop coming outside. Stop coming outside. Don't go to market. Everywhere should be. Don't just come outside. Don't come outside, please. Inside your house, lie down flat. Don't come outside. Don't come outside. I see people still selling. They are still coming outside to sell. Please, don't worry. You are going to take care and you will come outside. We are going to protect everywhere before you come outside. May God punish all the Nigeria soldiers. If you say you are Nigeria soldiers, come outside tomorrow with your gun and go back with your dead body. So if you are brothers and sisters, all our mothers, please tomorrow be indoors and check. Don't worry. It's not a threat. It's real. It's real. It's not threat. It's not a threat at all. May God bless Biafras. May God bless Abazonia. May God bless Oduduwa Republic. So the reason why I'm here right now, for a quick notice, please, my mothers and my fathers, so you guys who lie down, don't go to anywhere tomorrow. Just no travel. Suspend your thing because these people don't enter information reaching us. No enter any keke. Please, you have to be careful. They want to make sure they pick people from keke. They are packing people. Today they are packing many people because those people are they see support. Maybe you support Nigeria. That is why you come outside today. These people don't go close to where police is. Don't say, okay, they will not arrest me. I'm not Eastern Security. I'm not unknown government. They have to be careful because what happened to you happened to me. But tomorrow, don't come outside. Don't come outside tomorrow. Don't come outside. Please, for your life, we love you so much. Don't come outside. Listen to our leader. You have to listen. Samuel to Ekpa. Listen, is on live right now. Go his page and listen to him. Whatever he told you, that is how it's going to be. So please, you should listen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu broadcast. Whatever he said, that is how it's going to look like. Samuel Ekpa is right now on live. So you listen to him right now. Go there now because I'm logging out right now. So listen to the leaders and listen to them. Don't go to anywhere. Be careful. Be careful. We love you so much. But we can never remain to lose our land again with these evil people. We cannot remain to lose our land again with these evil people. So please, my brothers and my sisters, listen. Tomorrow is very good day. It will be a good day. This day that you are afraid of, if we can never rest and leave these people taking our land, we will not go agree. It would never happen. You understand? So it would never happen. So please, listen. Don't come outside. Anywhere you hear gun shooting, lie down for your life. Be careful for keke. Don't go into keke. No enter any keke. Be careful because there is Fulanis. Even our people, they are using our people to drive keke to pick people. Please, don't go there. Be careful. You have to mind the motorway you want to enter now. Any motorway you enter now, they don't carry you. Come on, you know they Biafra land again. You don't see yourself for northern side. This is the tactics they want to make sure they pack our young boys. So please, be careful. So I'm logging out now.
Thank you so much for watching that particular video. Please feel free to tell me what you think about this video on the comment section below. Like this video and share this video if it's possible. Thank you. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.